In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change featured products on Shopify in 2025. If you're looking to update your Shopify store and showcase new products on the front page, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, look at the left-hand menu and find the Products section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of all your products. Here, you can see everything you've got in your online store. Now decide which product you want to feature, either by scrolling through your list or using the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found your product, click on it to open up the detailed view. Now you're looking at the product details page, which is the central hub for all the information about this particular item. This is the time to think about the kind of impression you want to make on your customers. Consider what aspects of this product are most appealing and should be highlighted. Take a few minutes to review and maybe update the product description. This description should be clear, concise, and compelling. You want to communicate effectively why someone should choose this product. Moving on to the visual aspect, let's talk about product media. Click the Add Media button to upload any new images or videos that display your product in the best light. High-quality images are crucial, as they can significantly impact a potential customer's decision to click on the product. If you already have existing images, consider refreshing them or adding additional angles to give more context. Videos can also be an incredibly engaging way to showcase your products, providing customers with a more dynamic view. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure you hit that Save button at the top right corner. This is crucial because any changes you make won't be applied if you don't save them. With everything saved, the next step involves how you want this featured product to be displayed on your store's homepage or in a specific collection. To get this done, head over to your Shopify theme editor. The theme editor is where you can design and customize your store's layout, and posting the featured product is a part of this. So that's it for today. By following these steps, you'll effectively set up your featured products, helping them catch the eyes of your visitors right from the get-go. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else you need to understand about Shopify, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling on Shopify.